If your kids don't want to take a bath, this might change their mind. These are the bath crackles. They have really decent duration and they make a good popping sound. So you have the three options, I think: green and yellow, blue and red, and blue and orange. And they color also the water. So let me quickly show you how they look. So if you put it in the water, you hear the crackling sound is quite loud. And if you want to make it even louder, you have to stir the water. They are completely safe and they are gonna dissolve in the water, so you can just then drain it and there's not gonna be any issue. So yeah, I'm just gonna stir it. And I have put really low amount. You can see it's still like plenty in it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. Your kids will love to take a bath every day, maybe even multiple times a day. So try it out.